Hello guys, welcome to 360 Space. I will be teaching us on how to buy Radio Raca on our on our Hotbit account. Check the description for the Hotbit link if you want to register and you don't have a Hotbit account, and also check the description for how to fund your Hotbit account. So I won't be wasting our time. This is just how to buy Hotbit once your account is funded with USDT. I mean how to buy Raca. Sorry. So once your account is funded, you just come to market. You come up here. You come here and you type Raca. So this is Raca. Hotbit is just a simple platform where you can buy any coin very easily, low charges. So you just come to buy. You type the amount. If you want to buy for $50, if you want to buy for $100, if you want to buy for $200, any amount. If you want to buy for, you just click on buy. I don't have USDT on my own wallet, so I cannot buy. It is just for educational purpose too. So just click on the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I drop my next video. Thank you.